Hi my friends, and welcome back. I'm George Pierce, and this video is the second video in a three-part series, and it's about Amazon Video Direct or Prime Video Direct. You'll find a link below to part 1 to the first video, and once it's published, of course, you'll find a link below to part 3. And just a reminder that if you want to be informed, or if you're not a subscriber, be sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you'll get notified when these videos are published. Now, what you're going to discover, what you're going to learn in this particular video is you're going to get help with Amazon Author Central. You're also going to learn about repurposing your content into text so that you can use it for paperback, for Kindle, for DVD, as well as how you're going to be able to promote your Amazon videos on WordPress and on YouTube. So let's get right to the Amazon Video Direct training.
Welcome back. You're looking at Amazon Author Central, and this is where individuals that have published on Kindle and in some cases Create Space or Amazon's paperback book service hold their writer profiles. Now, content on this page can be promotional. In fact, you can have your blogs, events, photos, and videos on this page that, while talking about your written content, can also promote your existing business. Now, as was confirmed in an earlier video, you will not be able to link Prime Video Direct to your Author Central page. That means then that the only way for us to use this promotional tool is to have written content. And to do that, in the next couple of videos, we are going to talk about how you are going to repurpose your video content into text content so that you can use it promotionally on your author page and throughout the rest of Amazon. And we'll start the process by turning your video into text. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, in order to repurpose your video content into text, you can start by making sure that you have your videos on YouTube, whether or not they're unlisted or public. You can then go to your YouTube channel. And what we're going to do is we're going to find the video that we want to repurpose, and we're going to go to the watch page. We get to the watch page, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to this right hand side. We're going to look for these three dots, and then we're going to click Open Transcript. Once we have the open transcript, we're just going to copy and paste it into a Word document. We're going to copy it, and then we're going to move this content into either a text file or a Word file. Now, if you do it this way, you're going to find that the timestamps are going to make this a little difficult. So what you can do is you can go back to YouTube, you can click Toggle Timestamps, and that'll get rid of the timestamps. And then you can go through the same process and you can cut all of this information into a document. Copy it, and then paste it into either a Word document or a Notepad file. And we'll do that right now. And now we have an editable document that we can begin to work with to edit into text for Kindle and or Create Space, and we took it direct from the video. So we can do this one at a time. For instance, if you have one video, that can be one chapter, or if you have a long video, that can be a short Kindle book. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Once you've edited the text, you're then ready to begin working with your content in Amazon Kindle. And to do that, you're going to go to kdp.amazon.com. Once you're inside, you can start by creating a paperback. And so you can click this Paperback Plus. Now, as you walk through the process, you're going to notice on the second screen that what you're going to be doing is you're going to be downloading a KDP template for your preferred trim size. And so what you're going to do here is you're going to click that link. And then you're going to choose a particular template and size. And you can choose a template with sample content in it already. And for example, if we choose this 5x8 template, this is going to download a Microsoft Word document to our hard drive We're going to go ahead and save it to our hard drive. And what we can do then is we can begin to lay out our content by using the template that's already been given to us by KDP. Now, you are going to want to make sure that you go through and you do some editing, or that you give it to someone to edit. However, you do have all of the formatting already done for you, so that all you have to do is to begin to lay in your content. So for example, if we find this chapter 1, we'll just rename this chapter to something else that we want. And then we'll take our edited content and we'll fit it in for chapter 1. And then the same thing will happen for chapter 2. So if you're using separate videos in order to denote one chapter, all you'll need to do is to edit those videos one at a time and put your content into this section. And you'll just edit your chapters and formatting just as it is inside of the doc. And then you'll simply save this document as your book content. And once your manuscript has been edited and it's ready to be uploaded, all you'll need to do is to come back to KDP and upload your manuscript here. And all you'll need to do is either use a cover that you have already had designed, or you can use Kindle's cover creator in order to create your own. And once you've gone through this process, you will then be ready to begin previewing your book for publication on the Kindle platform. Now, what we've done is we've created a paperback in this sense. What we want to do now is we want to repurpose that same content into Kindle. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, for the sake of the video, we did not finish the entire process of publication for our paperback book. However, we are able to see a link that is going to be of relevance to us. And that is that you'll see that there's a link here that says Create Kindle eBook. What you're going to do here is you're going to click that link. And the first screen is going to be just like the paperback screen. We're going to walk through this process. We're then going to click Save and Continue. When you get to this page, you are going to need to upload a specific file type. And we can do either Word, Doc, or DocX. We can do text files or PDFs. And just like the paperback, we're going to go through the same process. We're going to upload our ebook manuscript here. And then we can either upload a cover that we already have, or we can create a new cover with the Kindle eBook cover creator. And once we've completed this, we'll click Save and Continue, and then we'll have a companion guide to our paperback book in the Kindle version in the Kindle store. So what we've done now is we've now made ourselves available in the Kindle store as well as in Amazon in general through the paperback, and we're giving the same content in our video more exposure to more people and giving ourselves the opportunity to showcase our existing business. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, there are still individuals that look at video through DVD. And even though Amazon Video Direct is the primary way and the way that Amazon suggests that you distribute your video, you can use CreateSpace, use their platform free, and get to those who want DVDs. And there is a process for you to be able to do this if you go inside of CreateSpace and you go to the film area. And what you'll notice here is that there is a menu for creating a DVD. Now, the first thing you're going to want to know about creating a DVD are the submission requirements, and we're going to take a look at that right now. Now, one of the things that you're going to have to do that will be a little difficult will be that you'll need to be able to create a single ISO file, and that ISO file must be unencrypted. DVD creators have this outsourced. They'll outsource it to someone on Fiverr, they'll outsource it to someone on one of the freelance sites. Now, if you have software that does this, something like Sony Vegas or some other kind of DVD burning software, it's quite possible that you can create your own and then upload that file to CreateSpace. However, if you're going to go the route of making sure that your content is on DVD also, you will then need to upload that file and more than likely, the fastest way to do it would be to have it outsourced. Your DVD will be available for sale on Amazon. You can also order that DVD in order for you to sell outright yourself. And you'll walk through the same process of creating and naming your file as well as creating your covers. And you'll pretty much walk through this process step by step. And to give you an idea of the timing as well as the pricing, you can see this vendor on Fiverr offers this service currently at $45 for a basic service, and then upgraded services at $120 plus $275. And again, that's turning video into DVD specifically for Amazon Create Space. And as you can see, there are other individuals available, even though there aren't a lot of individuals. So again, one more way for you to repurpose your video content is to make it available on DVD and then make that DVD available on Amazon. And again, the difference here is that you can be promotional on your DVD. There are no prohibitions for you to mention your website and for your existing business. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Hello and welcome. Now in this video, we're going to talk about promoting your Amazon video or landing page with your WordPress site. Now, if you're already working on WordPress and you already have a website or blog that you're using, you can use it to promote your videos. And one of the ways that you can do that is using a redirect. And to do that, we're first going to go to the plugins area. We're then going to search for affiliate link cloaking. Now you can use just about any of these link cloaking systems that you like. The one that we're going to work with in this video is going to be by ClionPid. So you'll see that it's already active as a plugin on this site. In fact, you'll see link cloaking here on the left side menu. And what we're going to do is we're going to click link cloaking. And when we get there, what we're going to do is we're going to click add new link. What we're going to do is we're going to put the link to our individual videos here in this section, and we're going to give this a unique, memorable name. So we can write in here a name that our clients would know. In this case, for the sake of this video, we're going to write in the term tutorial videos. Now for now, we're going to write in here Prime Video. However, you would write in here amazon.com/v/the name that you gave your particular set of videos. When you've done that, you're then going to click Add Link. And what you've done is you've given your clients a memorable name for them to be able to associate with your WordPress site. Now, one more thing that you can do is you can alter the menus and appearance. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the menus area, and we're going to create a custom link. What we're going to do is we're going to put in here our video URL. And what we've done is we've made sure that this item is always going to be in our WordPress menu so that people that come to our page will be able to click on this link and be taken to our set of videos. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, depending on how much a part of Amazon Video Direct becomes part of your income generation, you can then start to direct video viewers to Amazon Video Direct. And you can do that through your YouTube channel. So for example, if we go to your YouTube channel and we click Customize Channel, one thing that we can do is to go to this right side and click this Edit Links. Once we get to the Edit Links, what we can do is we can then add in some other links. And once we get to this link page, we're going to click Customize Channel. That's going to bring us to this page of links. And what we're going to do is we're going to add in a link here. And we're going to put in our URL to our video channel as well as a descriptive link. And now you'll see there that our video channel is now linked to what we've placed here is Prime Video, but this will be your individual video channel. You'll also see that the logo is here on the right side menu in our channel. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.
As I mentioned, I'm going to include a link to video number 3 once it's published. And of course, there's already a link below to video number 1. If you like this video, and I hope you do, give it a big old thumbs up. Do that right now. I'd appreciate it. It's good for the channel. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. And allow me to wish you much success.